So I was shopping on Amazon and I came across caper leaves. I had no idea that they could be eaten. I have tried growing capers from seed for many years with no luck at all. So I finally caved in and bought a plant. In this video I'm going to make a Santorini tomato salad, Italian style. First I'm going to pick some fresh basil, parsley, and summer savory. Then I'm going to harvest some fresh tomatoes. Check out this homegrown cucumber. Cut up the basil. Then the flat leaf Italian parsley. Summer savory. For those of you that are wondering, it tastes like a very mild oregano. Add some minced shallot and garlic. Drain and then add your fresh mutts. Santorini salad is traditionally made with feta or goat cheese, and it doesn't call for vinegar. Add some extra virgin olive oil, fine sea salt, and balsamic vinegar. Fresh ground black pepper, and caper leaves. I didn't even know they were edible, but they are fantastic. My brother can't stand capers, and even he ate this. You just can't beat a homegrown salad. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.